السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Welcome back to my channel. This is Easy English with Mrs. بشرى. الرجاء وضع سماعات قبل مشاهدة الفيديو ليتسنى لكم التركيز أكثر. دائما مع سلسلة دروس اللغة الإنجليزية للمبتدئين ولتلاميذ الطور المتوسط نواصل حلقاتنا، ودرس اليوم خاص بأشهر السنة. There are 12 months in the year. Months of the year. Month يعني الشهر. Months with S هو جمع month. Months of the year. Year تعني السنة. Months of the year. Listen and repeat. January. January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. December. December. Repeat again. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Let's practice now. Take your copybooks and answer the questions. Question number 1. What month is in between? January, March. October, December. June, August. April, June. May, July. September, November. Please make a pause to answer this question. تستطيعون إيقاف الفيديو في أي لحظة للإجابة عن الأسئلة. Question number 2. Fill in the missing letters to make the months of the year. Read the months carefully and try to remember the missing letters. To check your answers, you can watch the video again. للتأكد من إجاباتكم إن كانت صحيحة أم خاطئة، تستطيعون إعادة مشاهدة الفيديو في أي وقت. I hope everything was clear. If you have got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. شكرا لوقتكم الذي لا يقدر بثمن. See you next time. Hey, don't forget, please like, share and subscribe.